One of the things that I noticed when tasting strawberries is that there's never been a whole batch that had only delicious strawberries. If you research some of these farms, most of them grow strawberries from cloned plants, so it's not just genetics. Now, after watching a whole bunch of tutorials and reading scientific journals on how to optimally grow strawberries, ultimately, I ended up more confused than I was before. So, I decided to start this experiment and figure it out on my own. Welcome to the Meta Grow Project. Over the next, I don't know how long it's gonna take, I'll be comparing the growth of 2 different clones in 4 different mediums. This comparison will be conducted like a scientific journal, complete with protocols and every detail of NPK, pH, ppm, ppfd, temperature, humidity, DLI, and pot weights will be recorded. These plants will be grown indoors, and all of my findings will be explained along with concepts relevant to growing strawberries. Every other week, I'll release a video, so comment below because even though this is my journal, I want it to be interactive, so your questions will be considered in the comments. At the end of this series, I'm going to apply all the knowledge I learned in this comparison to create a complete guide on how to grow the most delicious strawberries.